This is Caparina. She's a 57-foot 0-inch cruiser stern narrowboat, built in 2005 by Aqualine Marine. Paintwork is in good condition. Solar panels on the roof. She's actually got 4 160-watt solar panels. Propulsion is an Isuzu 42 horsepower diesel engine, and she also has a Vetus bow thruster. Take a look inside. Stepping down from the cruiser aft deck, on the port side is your Aqualine control panel with all the neat electrics behind. There's also your calorifier. On the starboard side is the Victron Multi-Plus 3 kilowatt inverter charger, and also the Victron MPPT controller. There are 4 cabin batteries on board, 115 amp hours each. She's in a traditional layout, so the bedroom is at the aft. It's a cosy double, 6'1" by 3'10". Fit out throughout is in ash ply and ash tongue and groove boarding. The flooring is also ash boarding with ceramic tiles in the shower room. So moving forwards, frosted glass privacy door into the shower room, glass worktops, vanity unit and a Vetus pump out toilet. There's also a towel rail in here and a quadrant shower cubicle, tiled linings. Hot water is heated by the engine and boiler, and your cabin heating is also through the Eberspacher diesel boiler, and there's a Morso solid fuel stove in the saloon. Moving forwards into the Galley granite worktops, pull-out cupboards, under-counter fridge. You've got gas cooking in here, so there's a gas grill and oven and a separate gas 4-burner hob. Stainless steel inset sink. There's a set of side doors as well in the Galley. Magic cupboard in the corner here. And plenty of drawers. So there is a breakfast bar in the Galley with 2 stools, and there's also a full-size washing machine. L-shaped seating for your dinette saloon. There is a large table to eat at. And there's the solid fuel stove. Cratch covered well deck. We'll just walk back through Caparina. She's moored here at North Kilworth Marina. If you'd like to make a booking to view her, give us a call on 01788 822 115. For more details and all of the specification, you can download a brochure from our website www.abnb.co.uk.